Today's topic is gut. GUT, gut means this one, okay? The stomach and the intestine, okay? The health of the gut is very, very important because imagine your body as a tree. The roots, from the roots, the water, the nutrients, they all go to the tree and the tree becomes healthy. The same thing. Your heart should be healthy, your brain should be healthy, your kidney should be healthy, your liver should be healthy, and all this is possible only if your gut is healthy, if your intestine is healthy. Okay? So, how to keep the gut or the intestine healthy, the entire digestive system healthy? You know, the gut has got lot of bacteria, okay? They got lot of bacteria. Yes, they got virus, they got fungus. They're all good for the intestine. They are all very good. You know, our body has, more than the cells of the body, there are more bacteria in our system. And majority of the bacteria are in the gut, stomach and the intestine. Okay? They are all very good. They do all useful functions. So, they should be always good. They can turn bad if our health habits are bad. They turn, the bacteria, good bacteria turn into very harmful bacteria. Yes. So, let us start with the birth. Suppose LSCS. One child has got LSCS. Okay, is born out of LSCS. One is normal delivery. The normal delivery child will have good bacteria in the intestine. Yes. And the child that has taken mother's milk for 6 months will have excellent bacteria in the intestine. Okay, they don't need any antibiotics. They don't get any infections. Whereas the LSCS born child will frequently get infections and all the problems. So first is, don't encourage LSCS, go for normal delivery. 1. 2. Schools. The children in the schools nowadays, they are taking burgers, they are taking, they are taking all the fast foods, they are taking the cool drinks, and that is all making them obese, that is all making them infectious, that is all their intestines, the good bacteria is turning into bad bacteria. In the schools, see, surrounding the schools, wine shops are not allowed. But why fast food shops are allowed? The government should make regulation, okay? They should not allow fast foods near to the schools. Or fast food should not be given to the children, young children. They become very bad. The bacteria changes into very bad bacteria. 2. 3 is physical activity. If you're physically not active, the bacteria also will not be active and you become obese, right? So you should be active for the bacteria to be active, okay? So I'm working as a superintendent, dean of pages, and the superintendent of a very big hospital, managing hundreds of patients, and I also professor of surgery. I've given a free car, free driver, free petrol, but I come by walk. Yes. Previously, I was working in Gandhi Hospital, government in Secunderabad, in Telangana state, where my surgery department is in the 6th floor. I used to go up through the ramp to the 6th floor daily. I never used to use the lift. Yes, you are active, the bacteria will be active, and you'll be very healthy, okay? Physical activity is important. Physical activity doesn't always mean that you should go to the gym. Not necessary. Be active. Don't sit in the chair. Be active. Be standing. Always walk. Okay? 2. 3 is stress. Another important factor is stress. If you are under negative stress is called as distress. Okay? If you are in distress, the bacteria also will be very bad in the intestine. Okay? Don't take up the stress. That doesn't mean that you should not take up the stress. Convert the stress into eustress. The other day, when I was sitting in the chair, I was the medical superintendent, somebody came, some doctor came, and he was shouting at me, okay? It sometimes happens. I did not shout him back. Because if I shout him back, I'll be in distress. I just started smiling. I just started laughing. And the other person who is scolding me, who is angry with me, doesn't know what to do. Right? So convert stress into eustress. Negative stress is distress. Positive stress is eustress. Be happy always. Take things easy. Okay? Take things easy. And be prepared for what you do the next moment. Okay? So stress is another important thing. If you do more exercise, it is distressing. Yes. If people in the stress, if they do exercise, the stress doesn't go to the body, okay? So the bacteria will be good in the intestine, 2, 3. Next is, see, apart from that, you have to go for the other things, that is carbohydrates. You take more carbohydrates also, excess carbohydrates, it's not good for health. See, the diet should be balanced between proteins and carbohydrates, not carbohydrates alone. You understood? See, the stomach is very, you should treat the stomach with respect. See, if you take alcohol, it's very bad. It's very bad on the bacteria of the stomach and the intestine. You to smoke, it's bad. You take too much of carbohydrates also, it's bad. What happens is these carbohydrates, if you take excess, the bacteria, the acids in the stomach, they mix up and produce alcohol. Yes. How beer is prepared? Beer is prepared from some barley and other, cereals, grains and other things. Same like that, alcohol can be manufactured in the stomach if you take too much of carbohydrates with the acids inside. And it's all very bad. You understood? So people who don't take alcohol also, too much of carbohydrate, it can produce fatty liver. Yes, people taking alcohol also develop fatty liver. You understood, no? Not necessarily alcohol alone. Body also produces alcohol if you take only carbohydrate. There are some instances in drunk and drive in some states. The people who never touched alcohol also, they keep the pulse people, they keep it is showing alcohol. How? Too much of carbohydrates in the body, okay? With the acids in the stomach, they can produce alcohol. So take equal amount of proteins. Some of the good food is very essential for the bacteria to be good in the intestine, okay? So good food is very important. Don't take milk too much. Milk is too bad. I told you, milk is too bad. Because milk is animal milk. Animal milk is again non-vegetarian. It has got a lot of saturated fats. Instead of milk, go for buttermilk or curd, okay? It's good. The gut bacteria will be good, but milk is very bad. Don't take milk. Coffee with milk, no. Tea with milk, no. Children, it's okay, milk, but adults should avoid milk and go for good dietary habits for the good bacteria inside. For example, you want more proteins. You take 2 eggs in a day is okay, especially egg whites. Fish is also okay. All fruits are good, but go for fruits having less glycemic index like guava, blackberries, pears and other things. And also some of the vegetables are very good. Green leafy vegetables are super excellent. Tomato is too good. Okay? Eat food early. Okay? By 7 o'clock or 6 o'clock you should eat the dinner. Okay? And after 1 hour, after perhaps 2 hours after taking the last meal, go to bed. Switch off the lights. Have a good sleep. Be healthy. Okay? So this intestine has got a lot of bacteria. Several hundred types, millions types or lakhs of types of bacteria, which is too good for health. So protect this. Don't take too many antibiotics because antibiotics will kill the good bacteria in the gut. So don't take antibiotics frequently. Avoid infections. Be healthy. Live for more than 100 years. if you're following these principles, you live for more than 100 years. See, the stomach, should not be too big. Too big stomach means too fat inside or gas inside. See my stomach, okay? See my stomach. No stomach at all. Six pack. Stomach is always good for you because there is no gas, there is no fat. Okay? Be healthy. Live 100 years. Healthy life. Have a good stomach, good intestine. Good intestine is very important for good heart and good brain. Okay? Have a good day. Have a wonderful day.